Bij Feadship is elke ontwerp.
At Feadship, every yacht design is unique. We offer a carte blanche experience to every customer, starting with a clean slate and striving to outdo ourselves with each new design. This is an exciting challenge.
Prachtige uitdaging.
She was built in the 50s and now reimagined. Welcome to Finding Mira.
We emphasize the length of the yacht, executing this as elegantly as possible, without too much fuss, but with just the right amount of character.
Dus dat is heel lastig om uit te leggen.
The design must be unique, while also fitting seamlessly with our brand. Achieving this balance is a significant challenge.
De uitdaging.
When designing a yacht, I draw inspiration from many different sources, often not from shipbuilding itself.
Dus automotive.
Automotive design, art, and architecture all play a role in shaping abstract ideas that are implemented in the yacht design process. What also inspires me, particularly when talking about the Mira, is seeing our craftsmen bring such a vision to life.
Vakmannen dat kunnen bouwen.
When the Mira was originally built, a long time ago, boats were typically built in series. However, the design was continuously improved as the series progressed, utilizing the collective knowledge of the 6 original shipyards. Since the boats were not custom-made for a specific customer, the shipyards had a lot of creative freedom in the design process. Today, as the Mira is being restored without a specific customer in mind, students and teachers have similar creative freedom, allowing them to be innovative in solving the unique challenges they encounter. This approach mirrors how we work on larger yachts today. When building a new Feadship, we must combine customer-specific requests with the knowledge we've accumulated over the years. That's why it's rewarding to follow the progress on the Mira and incorporate those ideas into our future designs.